Hey, this is Colton with Central Alps out of Arlington. We're the premier off-road custom shop in the DFW, if you didn't know already. Today we've got this 1986 Jeep CJ. Let's take a look at exactly what we did. So we put a 4-inch rough country lift. You're probably wondering, how in the world do you put a 4-inch lift on a Jeep CJ? If it's from 1986, you can do it, and we made it happen. We paired it with some 33 1250 R15 Mickey Thompson Baja Legend mud terrain tires. It looks great. If you have any questions, you can reach us in our DMs at Central Alps, or you can reach us at 833-268-2577, and one of our design consultants will be right with you today. Also, if you're curious as if these tires and wheels fit on this Jeep, you can go watch our Will It Fit. And if you have any questions in terms of tips or tricks that you were wanting to do from your home driveway when installing this kit, you can go watch our tips and tricks video. Thank you.